vermin, cowering the dirt, thinking that you might escape the coming fire. No, your world will burn until its surface is but glass. And not even your demon will live to creep, blackened. Surprise, motherfucker! To mar the reflection of our passage, the culmination of our journey.
Pin cracker. I mean, how you doing?
Is the will of the gods, and I am the Doomslayer.
One time for them praying on my downfall. 2 times for the homies in the chat. 3 times for them hoes on the internet shitting on niggas when they really should get out. 4 times for the days that were all bad. 5 times for the bitches ain't called back. 6 times for the kids like me who got ADHD just kidnap a nigga like ISIS. Whoa, turn the whole world to a crisis. Whoa, walk around the city with an ice pick. I've been paranoid, usually I ain't like this. Ain't no telling how crazy I might get. Beat the police with a nightstick. In my whole life, I've been lifeless. Now I'm so fly, I'm a motherfucking flight risk. Whoa, fuck a couple hoes till I pass out. Whoa, niggas throwing stones at my glass house. Whoa, I remember sleeping on my dad's couch. Whoa, now I got the Bentley and it's blacked out. Whoa, family looking at me like a cash cow. Whoa, everybody just to have clout. Whoa, thought you had a chance, now you asked out. Nigga, I'm the motherfucking man, where you at now?
Oh,
fuck it, I'ma hit them till they jumping. I ain't tripping, this is nothing. I've been living in the dungeon. I done held a couple grudges. What the hell I got a jack to meet the devil? I'm a cousin. I ain't settling with nothing. Got a pedal in the truck. Send me when the bustin'. Niggas couldn't see coming like nothing. I just want the money, I don't need a budget. I've been hungry, I ain't got no weapon, but I got the munchies, nigga. How you gon' move on the front line? If I don't fuck with you, I can cut ties. My eyes took this, I'll never be shit. To that bitch that I turned out just fine. And no, I don't need you for the 12th time. We do not share the same bloodline. Let her run your mouth like a tough guy. Hope you keep the same energy when it's crunch time.
Freeze coming out when the sun down. Ain't no that I don't give a fuck now. Bad little bitch with a tongue out. Better bring me to the safe. Want it right now, I ain't really trying to wait.
Corona. It's Corona. Nice.
I quote it, nigga, I wrote it, nigga. 6 headshots, I be rolling, nigga. Another clip and I'm reloaded, nigga. Ain't no way around it, I'm the coldest, nigga. You a nigga dirty like the drum, my nigga. Get you clinked up, then I froze you, nigga. Shout out to the haters who promoting, nigga. Flow hot whip,
shoot it,
nigga. But I don't like to talk about the rover, nigga. Keep the shit 100, I just sold it, nigga. Tired of pony looking at me like I stole it, nigga. Probably just go up and look a rolling, nigga. Don't need no rolling on the no, I'm getting rolling, nigga. Dreams still going, it's like a floating, nigga. Throw hands out like I owe them niggas. Where was you when the city was getting told, my nigga?
No snakes in the grass cause I'm loaded, nigga. What do you know about my pain? What do you know about my dreams?
And when I wake up,
dude,
I recognition looking at me for the base.
Shit.
But I'm a savage looking at you from the face down.
Why do they make rivers that deep?
Scheming, and let me tell you about my life. Painkillers only put me in the twilight. Pretty busy and Benjamin is the highlight. I tell my mama I love her, but just what I like. Oh no. 27 in my Chevy till I'm all come and get me, reaping everything I sow. So my karma come in heaven, no preliminary hearings on my record. I'm a motherfucking gangster, silence for the record. Tell the world I know it's too late. Cause I think I'm gonna be. Trying to side my races all day. Please believe when I say.
Fuck that nigga shit, back to my old ways. There's no games, I ain't been asleep in like 4 days. Niggas gassing, I'm spitting this propane. Was broke, now a nigga fucking rapping in gold chains. I ain't never waste a bar in a low lane. I work too hard to be boosting a no name. I'm profane, hit a nigga dome from close range. I won't change. Fuck ass nigga. Yeah, kill a fucking beat like ISIS. Nah, I ain't trying to be no fucking terrorist. Everybody's crying on the internet. Texas on me. What the fuck, nigga? Do you need a therapist? Nigga, you embarrassing. Don't you ever try to make comparisons. I speak a different language like it's Arabic. Assalamu alaikum. I feel bad for your wife when it's money. Go and see your motherfucking specialist. Is that? You can out-muscle him. You can out-muzzle him. I think fast. No food like Muslims. They call me Ireland. Cause I do the work of 2 people. No clones. They'd never have to double it. Who you think you fucking with? You got the right to brag. That's my swag. You cannot compute my flow cause you lag. Niggas try to use my flow to grow. Kill my name. I can't stop cause I'm in my bag. I will not fall like OTT sag. I'm up, you're down. You sag. Niggas try to hate on me like I'm trash. You must be confused like I'm just drag. Put them in a coffin, sick, I got him coffee. Should've known that I was coming just like me and Hoppy. Thought that shit was fucking logic. doing a dreamer, getting never 59 on this rap game's best project.
Gotta admit it, man, I'm a little brain damaged. Been up in the booth, the doom, made savage. Defenders on the move, pursuing the main passion. I never got a boost, abuse the game traction. Don't fucking around, like every fucking devour. We never dumbing it down, I pump them on the ground. Everybody wanna run it, if I'm running when I pounce. When I run up in the booth, and do with the rounds. Everybody wanna wonder why they
Dad walks in. Are you winning, son? No. CHIMPCHULA keeps killing me.
Now I'm headed to the golden gates and with a blacked out gate with a stolen plate.
Yo!
Let anybody control my face with no debate, no chance to negotiate.
Oh, man.
Did I am the definition of
That was amazing.
Said I'm never gonna trust the lame. It's all love for the fame, but it's fuck the fame. I'm not steel toe boots when I crush the game.
Hell yeah. Rewrite history, I guess.
Business on the rise, he coming up with the rhymes. He kid with the enterprise, he dipping in with the
You
vibes.
thought.
About the business, you better be recognized. You can put me in the battle, we'll make it a genocide. So you better get around the weapon and find the medic and tell the man to find the cover. But it's still no doubt I'ma find the method until they're bringing up my name when they define the legend. Come on.
One time for praying on my downfall. 2 times for them bitches in the South Shore.
What, am I not
3 times
supposed
for
to
them
park
days
on the
block
red
getting
line,
chased by
you
the cops
fucks?
like a motherfucking
Fuck
outlaw.
you.
4 times for them days that were all bad. 5 times for them bitches who ain't called back. 6 times for the kids like me who got ADHD. Just
Need a couple hearses.
Oh shit.
Kill the beat and
America.
the verse. Everybody living on the surface. But we came from the underground, yeah, we deserve. What's beef? Beef is when you murder motherfuckers on the beat. Kill them all, nah, what's beef? Beef is brothers lying over shit that never mattered in the first place. Lying in the street. What's beef? Beef is when you leave it in the past. Let it heal like a cast. When enough time pass and you blast. Kinda like that with bars like a convict. Fuck a runner, you don't wanna start shit. Coming with the hot shit, all they do is talk shit. You can never top it, boy, just stop. High end drunk, call that HD vision. All these other motherfuckers full of indecision. And I'm murder with precision all over your television. I'm numero uno, #1 in you in the subdivision. Never you don't even listen, that's the mission. Ain't no trying to figure over who the nicest. It's logic, it's obvious, just ask the audience. I'm gonna body this shit. Yes, it's egregious, I'm Regis. You Kelly, you pussy, you push me, I'm Louis Vuitton. You at Target with your mom. On the internet, still hating on my last post. I just sent a steak back in Mastros.
Oh my god.
Me and Joyner need a couple hearses. Double homicide, kill the beat and the verses. Everybody living on the surface, but we came from the underground, yeah, we deserve it. Far from the minimum, killing them with no riddling. And 5'9" was the middleman to get them in the same room. Now we on the same tune and we still the game doomed. The illest lyricists on the same shit. Rap pack, clap back on that gang shit. Do it for the love of rap, not for the fame shit. I'm becoming what I used to make.
Yo, unbelievable, dog. What the fuck did I just see? And you too. Fuck up out of here, pussy. Alright. Where are you? There you are. Oh, shit.
Walmart, get a couple of 50-watt balls from the hot tub, fill up them plugs with a hot dog. To be frank, these other motherfuckers ain't even in the wrong. Then she pulled out the condom. What? She must have heard this is where the condoms get stored. Sign above the door to the sauna says, welcome to Sauna, make a more. Told her I got something for it, sharp in his forehead, and its head's on swole, holding like a samurai. She said, wow, look at that pose, must have a huge ego. I said, is it me you're aiming at? Compliment towards. She said, yes, my ninja, please get the stabbing this shit. I commenced to dropping them jaws to my black belt and gloves all under the balls. Down my fly, whipped out my confidence song. Time for the Grammy that I never got. 2 times for the garden that I sold out. 3 times for the street crimes that I committed. Yeah, I did it, but thank God that I made it out. 4 times, cause I'm a fucking bastard. 5 times, platinum with my last shit. 6 times for the beats and the rhymes. Fuck the heat and the crime, keep the peace like a waistline.
Okay, and I thought that was the line, so we still gotta find the line. What the fuck is that? I want that horse. Come here. There we go. Fuck yeah. Who was the female lion in Lion King?
Building of the shrine.
Sarabi. Sarabi it is. Sarabi. Alright, Sarabi, let's go.
That's the way it is.
man. It's so good to see you, Sarabi. Oh.
Here we go.
I'm sorry about that. But Sarabi's my new favorite. It's Fiji. You're looking a little dirty too. Sarabi. And that was so cute. That was so cute. Alright, Sarabi. Park that sweet ass here. Mwah. Holy shit! Sarabi, look at that fucking thing! Alright, Sarabi. Don't be making no fucking babies now. Alright? Hear me, Buell? I'm so sorry I put you in this position. Let's get the fuck out of here. Ah, fuck, I was checking the chat. That nobody's in. I'm sorry, Sarabi. I don't need any more horses. I got Sarabi. Bobek can take a break for the rest of the game.